Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rawrquaza. Welcome back to another episode of Deadbolt. Don't worry, I'm still playing this game. I'm gonna play it. We're gonna load game. It's been a few days. I've been distracted. There's lots of stuff going on in my life. You get like underhanded punches and overhanded punches. That's interesting. Okay, what are we doing here? Cat. Do we have new cassette tapes? Vampire number 1. It's nighttime, but it's always nighttime here. The moon never shines anymore. Not like the night I met him. Not like the night we went home. Not like my last life. The bartender knows me. I've been coming here for weeks. Since the day the Bloody Mary opened. Clubs only last a few weeks at best around here. No one really knows why. A man at the bar buys me a drink. It glows like moonlight. I take a sip and I feel the warmth. I shift from one leg to the other. I don't feel like dancing tonight. I take another sip. It's a lot more bitter than I expect. The man at the bar buys me another drink. He scans me, gaze lingering. Oh, right. I almost forgot that this is how I died last time. His hands burn where they touch. Let me forget. Please make me forget. That's a little dark. It's okay. We'll murder them. Put them out of their misery. What are we doing? Fire! Twins lost at sea of lust and pain. Women without love cannot live with me. Right. Yes. Somehow made each other their phylactery. Need to kill them at the same time. Yeah. Amber and Evelyn. Shame, another slow night. Well, you know, not for long. How do I play this video game? I can't knock on this door. How do I knock on this door? Come down here. Yeah, you know you want to. How do I knock on this door? Okay, that's a phylactery. There's like a freaking vampire. Oh, god damn it. It's okay, we'll be fine. It's fine. It's fine. Get him! Yeah, got him. Got him. Got him. Good. Is that Amber? Kill the remaining targets. No, that's one of the two ladies. Oh, shit. Don't ever come down here, ever. That was the wrong freaking door, mate. Okay. We just hide behind these dead people. I think those are probably real people that they were turning into. Alright, so now we have to hurry up. I have a pistol, combat shotgun. I think we'll take that. We have a hammer. Okay, the dog. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. The dog cannot die in one hit. Let me try this. God damn it. Okay, this is not working. The dog takes 2 hits to kill. This is guaranteed. God damn it. Okay, this is not gonna work. We have to go this way. Fuck. Oh my god. Okay, you see me and then come out here. Come here. Come here, buddy. We need a gun for this, I think. It's the only way out of this. Get these guys to come in here. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Okay, not patient enough. I wish I could knock on these doors. Maybe I do need to get, like, a gun. Okay, one of you needs to, like... Okay, that worked out actually pretty well. Thanks, buddy. Nice. Oh, shit! He was... Okay. God damn it. I need to... Okay, here, hold on. Hold on. Do we have... We have 60 souls. Maybe we need to get a secondary weapon. Just something to give us the ability to, like, shoot. Because we actually don't have a secondary weapon right now. Flashbang. Maybe we'll get the hammer. All right, I accept this. Once you use a thrown weapon, though, I think it's gone. Yes. I also feel like maybe just using a weapon is a good idea. But... Alright, that certainly works. I don't know... Uh-oh. Oh, God. Okay, I have to wait for him to come actually in the door. Drop down. Thank you. I really wish you could pick up the hammer afterwards, though. Okay, we'll do that. Get this guy. Oh, he drops a weapon. And also, this aggroed all these dudes, which is pretty good. Okay, him dropping this combat shotgun is actually pretty useful. This guy apparently does not even realize. Okay, we can use the combat shotgun to demolish this side over here. Oh, her leg is stuck on the door. Nice. Oh, God! No! I forgot how to shoot guns. Okay. Oh, crap. Alright. So we kill this guy first. You have to hold down right click to shoot. Alright. Don't! Oh, God, that's such a waste of the hammer. No, 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 no. God damn it. Okay, we need to use the hammer to throw at this guy. It'll be easy. This game is a weird mixture of, like, patience and strategy. Alright, so we're gonna throw that at him. Wait for this guy to come near this door. Murder him. Take his... Well, I can't take his gun yet. It's kind of ridiculous. I don't know, there's some things that don't really make too much sense, but... You know, like we can't grab his, do this. Can't grab his gun until he's actually, like, his phylactery is dead. Which doesn't make sense from, like, a real-life standpoint, but then, again, it's, you know, gamed constructs. That's okay. Where's the other guy? Oh, right there. I don't know what he was doing. Alright. So we have the combat shotgun. I'm not going to aggro her yet. I don't know, I'm gonna have to go back there before we, because I think they want you to use the vents to kill the... Okay, don't die to the dog, please. Or these ladies, honestly, for that matter. Is there another dog? No, I killed that dog. Yo, dog! Okay, what's going on here? There's a bouncer. There's dogs. The dogs are scary. But we have a sawn-off shotgun here. Okay, so you will aggro as soon as we go down here. Okay. That worked out. Gotta pick this door. Alright, this is working out well. What we need to do is now lure out everything in this room. Come through the door. Okay, now we need her. We are going to have to open both of these things. Okay, I'm thinking we go do the other one first. We'll keep this pistol. This sucks, because we really only have one shot at this, right? Okay, this is melee lady. That's fine. Jesus Christ. She doesn't move around much. Okay, that's good. So now we just have to deal with this lady up here. Hopefully doesn't go too horribly. I don't know, man. She's super ready for us, which is unfortunate. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Okay. That really sucks. I don't know how we're going to deal with her. Maybe I should take the 10mm and save the shotgun? I don't know. Just throw that at his knee really fast. Oh, fuck. Come on. Scythe is good, but, like, sometimes it's weird. Doesn't hit exactly. Come on. Alright. Maybe I should throw the hammer at her. We'll see. Maybe the hammer instantly kills gun lady. Maybe it doesn't, but also it might. Come on. Don't be like this. We got a schedule to keep here. Alright, this is easy. This is fine. Okay, we open this door. She isn't gonna do anything. Take the combat shotgun with us to take out this stuff. Alright, good stuff. Oh! Okay, that was extremely close to my death. Woo! Alright, we have a sawn-off, which we will use right here. $10mm. We have the combat shotgun instead of the 10mm. We'll use the combat shotgun to deal with everything but the main lady here. And we'll throw the hammer at the main lady. Nice, okay. Then we pick up the 10mm, because we need this to deal with melee lady. We're gonna throw the hammer at this lady and hope that it kills her. If it doesn't kill her, I think we're screwed. Okay, that did damage, I think? I don't think it killed her, though. Which is okay. Maybe it did enough damage that we can just shoot her. Shit. What if it doesn't? Okay. Combat shotgun. And we go back and we grab some more ammo for it. Because I need enough pistol rounds to deal with that lady over there. Oh my god. Oh my god, I did it. Run. Fucking run. We did it. Holy shit. Too late. Ha ha ha. The harvest. Okay. No, we're not too late. We harvested you. You are the harvest. Okay. Alright, we did it. I don't actually think we need our scythe. I think that, like, we get that back. Pretty sure. Alright, not too bad. Well, I mean, it was pretty bad, but it was okay. That's alright. The flames stay extinguished. Mission: a club the candles have been investigating has suddenly gone quiet, along with the candles. What happened inside? There is no intel. The fireplace remains quiet. What? A lot to give. This club is strangely quiet. What happened? Dude, that's a bat. It's a vampire bat. Oh, shit, yeah. It's literally a vampire bat. Kill all undead. Oh, shit! They have, like, ARs! Attack 3 times. Okay, suppressed PDW. What is a PDW? I don't know what guns are. I think this is fucked, because as soon as I... What are you doing? Oh, fucking A! Okay. As soon as we, like, open that door, he's on us like Donkey Kong us. Oh my god. What the heck? These guns do no damage, or these guys just have a million health. One or the other. Holy shit. What is this? Landmine! All these dudes have been turned into... Okay, the mine is armed. I need to, like, use this to aggro the other dude. Oh, that's pretty good. I like that. Where does this go? Oh, I could have used that. Dang it. Oh, this is an elevator. Kind of like this. That's the elevator call button. Okay, now we kill this guy. Is there more to this thing? Kill him! Oh god. There are more dudes. Haha! Got him! I don't actually think I got him. What if I send the elevator back up there? I think this is a bad thing for me, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go up there and kill them all safely. Oh, I did it. Oh my god, okay. Kill the backup, there's 4 left. There's even more. Gonna use cover for the first time in my freaking life. Oh, we've done it. Kill incoming backup. There's fucking more? Jesus fucking Christ, man. Combat shotgun, so nice. Give me that shit. Oh no! The last guy got me! Oh, this is really bad. This is a bad start. Holy shit, man. So many dudes. I just tried to punch him. That didn't work. Okay. Oh, whoa! He came in this door. What caused him to come into this door? Seems like sometimes he does it, sometimes he doesn't. Nice. Okay. We have extra bonus suppressed PDW now. We're going to still pick up the site though. I think the landmine goes like right about here. Oh, no, come on. I didn't hit him that second time. Oh. If I have one complaint with this game, it feels like sometimes you definitely should have killed someone. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's also just fine. Put the landmine right here. Pick up our scythe. Oh, like that time, what the heck? Oh, that was the same guy too. Maybe I just need to shoot him in the face. God damn it. Okay, at least I'm getting like a general. I don't even. Shoot out the lights. We'll shoot this guy in the face. Oh, fuck. I stopped shooting for a second. Try a different sequence. You know what? Hey. Hey, shut up. How about maybe when I'm trying to, when I'm trying to shoot the freaking dude, how about it actually shoots the dude? God. Okay, it's fine. Just relax. Kill this guy. Put that there. Open this. Kill that. Good. I'm gonna go back for this ammo before the backup arrives. How much does this one have? Not enough for me to worry about. Okay. Put out that light. Where does this go? Okay. Kill this guy. Hopefully with the scythe. No! Why does the second scythe hit occasionally just doesn't hit? That time the first scythe hit didn't even hit. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Stressful, man. Maybe we'll hold on to both of these for a second. Okay. Gotta murder these guys. Pull this thing. We should just be able to scythe kill this guy. Okay, good. Yes, that worked. Got some bouncers. Oh! Oh, why did I do it? I should have just waited. Oh my goodness. Dude, patience is not my strong suit here, apparently. Shit! Just come over here. It's fine. Oh! See, the first hit didn't hit. Ah! So frustrating. I guess, you know, a good player would work around... will work around that strange, not sure if bug. God damn it. Oh my god. I really like this landmine. Too bad you can't start with a landmine. Holy shit. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh! He didn't die all the way. Alright. Okay, now we have the backup. This kills the first wave. Stage cleared. Return to your car. What? Oh. Oh, God. Holy shit. What? That's not cleared. Okay, everybody fuck off. I'm getting the fuck out of here, man. Oh, what? Oh, there were a lot of dudes. Since when did my... What? I'm so... What? We got 4 stars. All right. I don't even know how to explain that one. Oh, we got a bed now. Hello, cat. Is the fire still mad at me? Flames roar to life. The undead have somehow been turning their bodies into ash. Their own bodies into ash. Is that the purpose of all these clubs? Sir Stila, the head of the 1,000-year royals, most likely knows how this was done. He will know the key. Betrayal of kin. A man without guilt cannot live with me. Intel. Sir Stila's private condominium is heavily guarded, so expect heavy opposition. And then, I didn't read this one. The Stilas are a royal family of vampires. Any activity in the 1,000-year royals would not go without them knowing. Okay. Cool. Vampire leader must know what happened. Oh, fuck. You have done a good job, friend. Feel pride in what you helped craft. Okay, yeah, so he sold out his own people to these bone dongles. Kill a sergeant mid-spin. I just got an achievement for that. Oh, pick up old world rifle. What the fuck? Oh, God! What? Those bone dongles. Okay. Now that I know where they are. We have the elevator. Elevator goes to here. Oh no! Uh-oh. He called the elevator! Oh my god. I got shot like 12 different times. Alright, good stuff. I can't believe he called the elevator back down! That's like such a smart thing to do, honestly. Okay, we can murder these dudes. Turn off these lights. Come up here. Okay, the little guys. Don't turn on the lights, you jerk. It's too bad I can't, What is this? Oh! That's a lot of dudes. Don't call the elevator, damn it. Oh no! I almost had it. Oh. I just wanted to get the commander. Oh shit. Okay. Just wanted to get the commander down there. That's okay. What if... There we go, I feel better about that. Hey, buddy. Okay, good. Sledgehammer instantly kills, which makes it super useful. Take the rifle. Shoot out these lights. Give myself a little bit of, Good. Cassette tape unlocked. Where does this go? Okay. God damn it. Okay, get all the minions down here. Where the fuck is this guy going? This went through walls. Through the floor. I have the combat shotgun. Dude, this thing went through the freaking floor, yo. There must be information in this safe. Please don't be alive, anything. Damn, this safe. Super hard to pick. Look at this crap. Stage cleared. Return to your car. No, no, no. Fuck off. God damn it. Fuck off. Oh my god. I regret everything. Everything. They come back to life. How do we deal with this? This guy is puppy guarding this door, man. Oh! Oh, god damn it! Oh, I should have had my, my freaking... Wow! I slid, like, for a while. The hammer sucks. Don't use the hammer. Okay. God damn it, don't get hit by those guys. Alright. Okay, only the little guys have guns. Those are the only ones that we really need to worry about. Well, I need a sledgehammer. Nice. Oh my god, this is made so that the dudes respawn. Oh no! God damn it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that was not how you handle that. We really do gotta get this guy out here. God fucking damn it. Vents can help you flank enemies. You know what? Tired of your shit. Okay, that doesn't work. Oh. Stop being so annoying. Gotta use my sledgehammer. Oh no! Sledgehammer only hit one guy. God damn it. I need to take a break. Holy shit. We'll give this like 3 more tries. And by 3 I mean like 1 or 2. You know, 3. That's how that works. Alright, so we shoot this, and we shoot this, and then we shoot this, and then that makes everyone freak out. Okay. We use this old world rifle. There we go, nice. That was what I was hoping for, actually. No! Why? Oh, there were dudes behind him. There's always 3 dudes there. I just need to know that going in. I think I need to use this rifle more often. It's pretty useful. There we go. Oh, I was trying to get in the vent. God damn it. One more try. And then I seriously have to end this episode. 'Cause holy shit. These guys are infuriating. Okay, just use the scythe. Scythe is a very quick tool. Okay, if we're standing at the door, it does not kill both of the knights. Oh, I should probably shoot that knight, huh? Oh, there's 2 of them. Always double tap. I need the combat shotgun. They're gonna come back to life as soon as I pick this safe. Maybe we gotta pop these lights. Maybe that's the secret. They don't tell you. Then we can use our close quarters weapons with relative safety. Okay. I wish picking safes was this easy. Okay, only one of them came back that time. What the heck? Did we mulch the other ones just so thoroughly? No, 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 why have I done this? I can't believe I've done this. Let me out. Nope. Yeah, okay. Get the fuck out of here as soon as the door opens. Instantly out. Okay, because they're gonna call it up. We did it. What the heck? Oh my god. Well, that's gonna be it. Holy shit, man. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next time. This has been the Dark Souls April 4th edition. Bye-bye. Hit the like button, subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and join my Steam group to know when I go live, and Facebook. I don't actually have a Facebook, that's a fucking lie, but seriously, the Steam group updates whenever I go live on Twitch, twitch.tv/Rawrquaza, twitter.com/Rawrquaza. You can get shit there. Gotta pimp the shit. Patreon.com/Rawrquaza if you want to give me cash dollars. I always accept the cash dollars. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah. Bye-bye.